Okay, we are going to show you how to set up a annual leave form like this, or any sort of form really, but we're going to do that using Google Docs. So I'm going to use this one as an example here. So if you come to this page, this is a annual leave request form. Click on that link there. That's where it takes us to the heart behind this form, which we'll see in a second. There it is there. Now, if we want to edit this or set this up right from scratch, we are going to do this. So first of all, you need to come here to Google. This is Google Drive or Google Docs, as you can see here. So you need a Google account to be able to do this, which you can do by sign up by going to google.com and filling in some forms of information. You will definitely need that to go any further. And you'll come to this, which is Google Drive. This is basically like a hard drive that is online. So this is my Google Drive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a form that looks like this using Google Drive. So first of all, we go to create over here. We'll click there. It'll give us some options, and it says here form. So it's really straightforward. We simply select form. It is going to give us what that looks like right here. Okay, so we have our form here and all the fields. So simply all you need to do is complete the fields. So we're going to have this as a volunteer form, for example. Fill this in and complete. Oops. Fill this into volunteer at our church. Okay. Sample question 1 and name. We can simply select name. Now this is the question title. This is the help text if you need to give some more information about the question, and the question type. So the question type could be text, which is a box like this here. Paragraph text, which would be a deeper box similar to that where you put information in. You've got multiple choice, which you select the multiple choices, or check boxes, which would be you could select multiple responses, choose from a list, etc. Drop down a scale of 1 to 5, 1 to 10, or a grid response across different options. So what we'll do for this one, obviously, we'll stick with text and make this a required question. This means everyone who fills this in has to fill that in, so that's great. We'll go done. Oops, we need to actually ask another question. It's not what we finished. So sample question 2 could be email address. Oops. And same again. That's going to be a required box. And more actions, we can, up here, add items. So just say we want to give someone the option to choose different ministries to participate in. We'll put this. I want to volunteer in these ministries. Okay. Help text there, checkbox. Okay, option 1, we will say youth. Okay, add, option 2, worship. Next option, we will say ushering. Next option, we will say admin. Okay, this just gives you an idea, or other. They can select that. Okay, make this a required question. Okay, we're finished with our form. You can obviously add as many as you like, but this is just to give you an idea. Done. Okay, this is the form. It looks a little plain. So what you can do is you can change the theme. This will give you some idea. It's just saving. And you can go over here. You've got a whole lot of themes that you can choose from. They're just loading. It's probably not a good time for the internet to slow down, but there we go. We've got a whole lot of different forms that you can choose from here. So you can pick something that's going to be suitable for this sort of ministry, and this is a fairly sort of generic one. Why don't we try this one over here, something different. Okay, apply, and it's just loading. Okay, so here's what it looks like as it loads. Oops. It's taking its time. There it is. There's all your answers. Now, what do you do with this form? Well, what we have over here is that this form actually is on this page here. So it's actually embedded as a link. We'll just wait for that to load again. Going a little bit slow. Okay, so you see here, it's a link. If you notice down the bottom bar, you'll see the address, which is down there. It's just down there. So that is an address for this form that we're actually provided with here. You can see you can view this form here, published form here. Now, if we take that link and we copy it and we put it on our website, embed it as a link, then everyone who will answer this form will be able to they will be able to answer it. The form answers will come to us. So what we need to do here is, that's our volunteer form there. We'll just go back. Oops. Okay, and this is our editing here. Okay, we didn't get to save that theme, but that's okay for now. We'll go back to editing. Okay, so what we do here is we can share this form. We can share this form with other people. So if we press share there, that'll take us onto our G+. Email this form to people, see responses, and their summary and spreadsheet will enable us to see that. There's nothing going to be in that right now. More actions. You can embed the form into your website. You can edit the configuration of it. All these things are here, and that will be stored right here. You can see volunteer form right there within our Google Drive, so that's available to anyone. Now, if you want other people to share this, you can simply do this. You can go and you can share the document with other people. So I've selected it. I press this little share button here, loading, and it will pop up and give me some options of who I can share. I add in emails, etc., and that will give me a range of people that I can share that with. Just taking a little bit of time there. So you can see here, there's the link. It's private. You can change the settings of that. I'm the owner. Of course, if you set it up, you will be the owner with your Google account details. I can invite other people to be able to access that. So that is how you set up a form of some sort using Google Docs, make it available online.